Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hello loves, thank you for visiting my channel. Today is hair day, so I've been feeling that to do this style for quite a long time, and now here we are making knotless kinky braids. But first, knotless braids are generally just box braids, but instead of connecting the braid to the hair with a knot, the knotless braids usually involve braiding your hair from the scalp, then you fit the braids in the middle. Knotless braids are usually edge preserving, they are protective, they are long lasting, they are painless, they are non-pulling, and they are even great for finer or lighter hair. That is hair that is very light, like her hair is very light. However, they are really time consuming to install. They might even take 12 hours, so around 6 to 12 hours, and therefore they might be quite expensive in salons and also very tiresome to do them on your own hair. To prepare for such braiding, you just do your normal washing, you condition, and you do the lock method on your natural hair, and you do not need to straighten your hair for this styling. Maybe you can use a spritz when you're getting your hair plaited. So guys, let me just show you how you install the knotless braids. But for this one, as I said earlier, we are using kinky instead of the normal braids that people usually prefer. You organize your braiding hair into sections, and then you also part your natural hair into sections, small sections like the one you can see, and then you apply your edge control. After that, you divide your hair into 3 sections, into 3 parts. That is the section that you've taken, and then you take the middle part of that section and move it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then you just continue plaiting like the way you do the tattoo braids or the braids the way you normally do them. Now you just plait it for 1 or 2 rounds, as you can see, and then you start adding your braids. So you can either add your normal braid or your kinky braid. Now when you're adding this braid, you be careful to avoid leaving a knot. So people usually have different ways of adding these braids. So this is mine, as you can see. If this is easy for you, you can use this one. So generally it's just the way you usually do add-ins or feed-ins braids. It is just as simple as that. And then you can add your kinky or normal braids for maybe 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, depending on the size that the client wants, and maybe towards the ends depending on their length that the client wants. Now these kinky braids are light textured, and they are also very, very long. You're going to see at the end of this video how good they look. And definitely, who doesn't love the look of kinky braids as they grow older? Here guys, again I show you how to do it. braiding your hair entirely, you dip the ends of the braids into hot water, making sure that you have a towel on standby for drying of the hair after you're done dipping, like that. See how gorgeous this hair looks, and it's so long, very gorgeous already, and it's so new. Finally, you can go in with a styling mouse for frizz control. This is optional, guys. I'm using Auntie Jackie's. After drying, you just go in and style it to the desired look. We just styled this look into an updo. You can see the edges are not pulled. The hair is really neat and her hair is not that bushy, so we didn't have such a bulky look, but it really looked good on her. I always advise my clients to hold an upper band for the first 3 or 5 days of braiding so as to avoid causing tension on the roots. It's easy to sleep in a bun and also very easy to maintain the hairline as well as the hair, and a bun usually offers very many ways of diversifying the look, making the look more complex, and I think everyone looks fine in a bun. This hairstyle took about 5 to 6 hours to complete and came out nice. For more iconic hairstyles, check on our hairdressing page on Facebook and Instagram by the name NextAwe Nappturals. I'm going to tag the page on the description box. People who are in Nairobi can request me for hairdressing services through the contacts on that page. Thank you for watching.
Please share this video with your friends, with your hairstylists, with your hairdressers.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.